Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and in today's video I have created for you guys this Diwali look. It's an office Diwali party look, as in you can pull off this look anywhere you want, but this is specifically for those ladies going to office and they don't know what to wear for their Diwali party at office. This look I have created with a very simple plain kurta, and this is for all those minimalistic girls out there who don't want to wear those heavy embellished dresses for Diwali and who want to wear lightweight dresses and have fun. So this look is for all of you, so stay tuned till the end. I have also explained how I have stylized this outfit, what all I have used to stylize this outfit, and I have also given the step-by-step makeup tutorial also of this look. So stay tuned till the end and let's get started. So let's begin with the makeup first. For priming my face, I'm going to use Nykaa Prep Mia. Concealer, I'm using MAC. And I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. Foundation, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC42. Now I'm going to set my concealer and foundation using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium. As it is a simple office party look for Diwali, so I am going to use only this palette as a blush, eyeshadow and highlighter and bronzer, everything. So I am going to use this particular shade for eyeshadow. So you can actually completely do your makeup using only one palette. And I am going to add this darker shade on the corner of my eyes to give depth to my eyes. These colors are highly pigmented. This palette is really beautiful, guys. Now I am going to take this same dark shade and with the flat brush I am going to do my waterline. Under my waterline I am going to put that color. And I'm going to blend it with the fluffy brush. I'm just going to add a bit of highlighter, this shade, on the eyeballs. And again blend it with the brush. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows first. For that I'm using this new Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. This pencil is really smooth, guys. For beginners it is very nice. You all should definitely try this one. This removes the excess product from your eyebrows and it also combs your eyebrows and gives it a nice shape. Now I am going to apply the liner. It is the Colossal Liner by Maybelline. For this look I am going to apply kajal as well. I am using Color Bars Gel Kajal. Now I am going to apply mascara. I am using Maybelline's Falsy Push Up Drama Mascara. This is a washable mascara I like washable mascaras more because it doesn't tear off your eyelashes, because waterproof mascaras are very hard to clean and very hard to get off. So I really like the washable ones. Now we are done with the eye makeup. I am going to take the same palette and I am going to take this shade as a blush. Now I am going to use this shade as a highlighter. Oh my god, this is so damn pigmented. Wow, this is amazing. It's so blinding. For lipstick, I am going to be using Maybelline's Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Chili Nude. This is the new lipstick that I have bought from Nykaa recently. This shade is so amazing. So we're done with our makeup, guys. I'm quickly gonna get dressed and I'm gonna be back. So I have worn this simple plain long kurta. It's like this. Now I'm going to stylize it with few items. First thing, I'm going to add this little belt. It's a waist belt. Then I'm going to wear these jutis on it. And I'm going to add this choker. It's a very beautiful neck piece. It will give you that festive look. If you want, you can also tie your hair in ponytail. It looks very stylish. I'll just show you. You can have the puff in the front and tie a high ponytail. So that's all for now, guys. I hope you liked this video and you liked my look. This look is super easy to achieve, yet it looks very stylish. So do try it out and steal the show at your office, and do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you have liked this video, and let me know in the comments down below your reviews about this look, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.